Hey, it's Veronica from Craft Review. Today I'm making homemade vanilla extract and vanilla seed paste. The extract will be ready to use in about 2 or 3 months, and the paste is ready to use in about a day. The two ingredients I'm using today are vanilla beans and alcohol. For the vanilla beans, I'll need 1 ounce of beans per 8 ounces of alcohol, and 1 ounce is usually about 10 beans. Any kind will work. For the alcohol, you can use vodka, rum, or bourbon. I'm going to be using Ugandan vanilla beans today and bourbon. Altogether, I'll need the vanilla beans, a sharp knife, the alcohol, a dark bottle to hold the extract, containers to hold the cut vanilla beans and the seeds, and a funnel. First, I'm going to cut off the ends of the beans, and I'm going to go ahead and put those in the bottle. Then I'm going to cut each bean in half lengthways and scrape the seeds out. This step is optional, so if you don't think you'll use the seeds later on, you can just leave them in, and then your extract will be ready a little faster too. I'm going to set the seeds aside for later, and then I'm going to dice the rest of the bean up and put it in the bottle. The vanilla beans can be a little hard to cut. If you're having trouble with a knife, you can use scissors. And when you're done, you should have an extract bottle with all your diced up bean pods in it, and then a separate container with all the scraped seeds in it. And it's time to add the alcohol. You can use the funnel to pour the alcohol into the extract bottle. Keep an eye on it to make sure it doesn't overflow. And that's pretty much it for the extract. All you'll have to do is shake it every week or so. If you left the seeds in, it could be ready in as early as 2 months, but if you took the seeds out, then it'll probably take at least 3 months before the extract is ready. It gets better with time, so if you can wait 6 months or even a year, it gets better and better. This extract is a double fold extract, so you can use it 1 for 1 like you would use grocery store vanilla. Now over to the vanilla seeds. I'm going to add just enough alcohol to cover them, and then over the next day or so, they're going to soak up that alcohol and become a thick paste. And that's going to last a really long time in the pantry, and anytime a recipe calls for scraping the seeds from a vanilla pod into it, like for ice cream or frosting, then I'm just going to use a ½ teaspoon of this in place of 1 vanilla pod. But just a heads up, this isn't regular vanilla paste, so if a recipe calls for vanilla paste, that's not this. And that's it. I have my seed paste that's ready to use anytime, and my extract that'll be ready to use in a few months. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for me below. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, I would love to have you. Thank you for watching. Bye.